Once the SmartValve has been properly installed and the water turned back on, it is necessary to calibrate the valve for maximum performance. The SmartValve is designed to maintain a consistent back pressure upstream to the water meter. The greater the back pressure we can create, the better the savings will be. However, this back pressure upstream also creates a corresponding pressure loss downstream. Almost all systems can tolerate at least a small pressure drop, and for many properties, a large pressure drop without it even being noticeable. But for many properties, there is a point at which the pressure loss can be too great. This will vary from property to property. Therefore, the goal of the calibration process is to adjust the valve to the strongest setting the property can tolerate without causing too much pressure loss. Pressure gauges placed before and especially after the SmartValve can help with the process. However, if this is not possible, it can also be done by trial and error, by simply continuing to adjust the valve stronger and stronger until you notice a problem due to excessive pressure loss, at which point you would back off until there were no longer any issues. The SmartValve has a very wide range of adjustability between the 0 setting and the maximum setting. The valve is delivered from the factory at or very near the 0 setting, where there should be little, if any, effect from the SmartValve. It should be just as if the valve was not even there. Every SmartValve comes with a specifically designed adjustment tool. Make sure to keep this tool in a safe place in case future adjustments will be necessary. If your SmartValve is a 1.5 inch or larger pipe, the adjustment tool is designed to attach to a standard 1/2 inch ratchet handle or breaker bar. To adjust the valve to a stronger setting, insert the pin on the tool into a hole in the adjustment window closest to the minus side, and then rotate the inner sleeve towards the plus symbol. One adjustment is referred to as a click. Depending on the size of your SmartValve and how far you move each click in the window, there should be between 15 and 25 clicks of range between the 0 setting and the maximum setting. Each click will typically increase the back pressure upstream and lower the pressure downstream by 1 to 2 psi. It is possible there will be no noticeable change with the first few clicks until you reach the resistance point between the valve spring and your system pressure and flow rates. Now that the SmartValve has been calibrated, the installation is complete, and you should enjoy many, many years of savings. In the event conditions ever change, you will be able to adjust the valve using the same method without having to turn off the water.